17th of November 2021. And we have Havukallionkatu. Nice, taking speak here in Havukoski and in Koivukylä, Björkby, Itä-Vantaa, Östra Vantaa, Eastern Vantaa in Helsinki, as was region also in Finland. This one has the directional arrows in the middle like this, but this one is a spare part. The upper one, but it's randomized a bit.
Yeah.
It was built in 1976, and I believe it's early 1976 due to that. It's an number is H32495. Yes, because I've seen that in Myrmäki for the same time.
Yeah.
Actually, in Vapaalla we've seen it.
Yes.
Yeah, now I remember.
Yeah.
And they are from 1973 and 74, or 73 finished 74.
Yeah.
Of course, it depends on the serial number, but I still believe it could be like January 1976.
Yeah. Spektiit pakivais, meitä by Sheila.
Yeah. Because that type of those directional arrows in the middle were not used so long also. Like
Yeah.
they did not become mainstream. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much.
That's